Hey friends, Rebecca here. Yeah, I'm taking a break from my sketchbook to work on another craft kit, and I just wanted to show you this one. I found this at Hobby Lobby, and it was only $1.50. And I'm really surprised that they can even sell this for $1.50. If you were to go buy the individual pieces, it would be well over $1.50. But obviously I know they deal in bulk. But this is just the cutest kit. It's cross stitch on this wooden piece that has all these holes, probably laser cut holes in it, and it just a sweet little butterfly pattern. And so you've got the colored pattern, and then they had these pretty detailed instructions. So if you haven't done cross stitch before, just a real quick little tutorial on that. And then it does have a counted version of the wooden piece. And so you can, once you get started, then you can just go by the colored diagram, which is a little bit easier. And it was just packaged really well. I was just super impressed. Again, if you were to go buy these 4 or 5 colors, you would definitely pay more than $1.50. And it was packaged nicely here with a needle. And it also had a needle threader, which was super useful. I've never used one like this before. But the needle and the needle threader are packaged together in this baggie that was taped to the card. So packaged really, really well. And just a little bit tricky to get open. But it's just so cute. And just I've always got something creative going on. I just find that it just helps my mood and helps it just helps it just calming. And especially these nights as they're starting to get dark early, it's nice to just sit and watch some TV and stitch away. I forgot how calming stitching is. I have also forgotten how long cross stitch takes though. I worked at this here and there for probably 2 weeks, but it's been very enjoyable. And this obviously it's got some of my favorite colors in it with this pink and the green here. They just look so good together. And it was pretty easy to stitch on this wooden piece. I actually found it easier than using a hoop. I know in the past using fabric and the hoop, I never have enjoyed that because my string would get caught in the hoop and things and having to move it around as your piece moves, but if a bigger piece than the hoop. But here we are all finished up. It looks so pretty. The back, not so pretty, but that's okay. I could always cover it with felt or something. But yes, a wonderful creative project. And then just happy Thanksgiving to all of you. I hope you have a wonderful holiday week this week, and we will talk to you soon. And look how much thread was left over. So again, a really nice kit. I enjoyed it.